Buzz, buzz, the bees fly by, working hard beneath the sky. With tiny wings they flap so fast, from flower to flower they never rest.
They gather nectar, golden and sweet, flying back on busy feet. In the hive they make the treat, yummy honey for us to eat.
Buzz, buzz, the bees don't stop, flying high and landing on top. They work all day from dawn till night, making honey that tastes just right. So thank you, bees, for all you do, working hard the whole day through. You give us honey smooth and bright, sweet and tasty, a pure delight.